how to change your Netflix profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can change your profile picture on Netflix profiles. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure to update the Netflix app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Netflix and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Netflix application, I basically want you to go over and then open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. So let's say that you have multiple profiles added. If you want to change how each of these profiles look, it's very simple. All you have to do is tap on the edit button, which is on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the edit button, you will see this kind of interface, and just select a profile on which you want to change the profile picture. So I'll just select this one for example. Once I do that, you can see all of the settings over here. To change the profile picture, again tap on the pencil editing icon next to that profile picture as well. As soon as you do that, keep in mind that you will not be able to add a custom icon, but there are lots of the ones that you can actually choose from. For example, you can see the Sandman, The Witcher, Lucifer, or anything else such as The Crown, and many of the popular shows and TV icons which you can choose from. As you can see, a list of all those ones over here. You can also see some of the princess ones, and you can also see any of the icons over here. In order to make the changes, just go ahead and then select the icon that you might want to use. Once you go ahead and then choose the icon that you want to use, just tap on it, and as you can see, the changes will be successfully taking place. And you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to tap on the save button, anything. Once you come back, and if you look, you can see our new profile picture has been updated. You can repeat the process for others as well. This is how you can change the Netflix profile picture. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.